1. Switch off the main supply to the fitting. Step 2. Remove any diffusers or covers. Step 3. Remove the existing tube and dispose of responsibly. Step 4. Remove the gear tray to gain access to the ballast. Step 5. Disconnect the wires from the power factor correction capacitor, starter and ballast. If you have a high-frequency ballast, simply disconnect it and proceed to Step 6. Step 6. Connect the live and neutral to a connector at one end of the tube. It may be worth a small sticker for future reference. Step 7. Refit the gear tray in the housing. Step 8. Install the LED noting which end has the power connector. Step 9. Refit any covers or diffusers removed. Step 10. Turn the power back on.